Hey everyone, it's Blakely with Cooking for Bimbos, and I'm here today to show you a really great salad. It's super easy. I'm just going to do some mixed greens, some pears, and show you exactly how to do it. So in my salad bowl here, I just have some mixed greens, and to that, I'm going to do some walnuts that I chopped up, which I like that nice buttery crunch in there. I have that. I also have some pomegranate seeds. Look at these. I love the color of the pomegranate seeds too. And it has that nice crunch and flavor. Right, put those right in there. I also have some goat cheese that I like to crumble in there. Which I love the taste of goat cheese and walnuts and pears. It makes for a really great salad. So we're gonna add that in here, just like this. Perfect. Look how pretty this is. It's a great fall and winter inspired one. And then over here, I just have some fresh pears that I sliced up. Look at that. So now that that is all done, I am going to put together a really simple vinaigrette. So in here, I'm going to do some champagne vinegar, which I love. Let me put that right in here. Just like that. Some champagne vinegar. I have some Dijon mustard, which really helps to kind of emulsify the vinaigrette. Plus I love the flavor of the Dijon. So we have a little bit of Dijon to put in there, just a little bit. We're also going to do a little bit of honey just to sweeten it up. Not too sweet, just a little bit of sweetness in there. Just a little bit. There we go, perfect. With some salt. And we have some pepper. I'm going to give it a good mix. Perfect. Some nice olive oil. Just going to drizzle that in. Perfect. All right, now we're going to pour it all over our salad. And there you have my delicious pomegranate and pear salad. I hope you like it.